Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. I know this is box opening number 4 in the same night. I don't normally like to put so many box openings together. That's why I'm trying to keep them really short, because not everybody wants to go, watch 30 minutes of videos. So I think most of these have been around 3 minutes. The first, the watchgang black might have been a little longer, but I'm trying to keep them short. So this is my third platinum box opening of the night. This could be the giveaway one, or it could be that Laco, if I'm saying it right. I threw it on wrist really quick. This was the second one I opened, and it looks cool on wrist. I actually really like this one too. So if this one is the same as the one I got on my wrist, it's going to be the giveaway for sure. But no matter what, guys, one of these platinum watches is going to be a giveaway, and that's, like I said in the other videos, it's just kind of a thank you for watching and putting us over 1,000 subscribers. At this point now, I wish YouTube would actually reauthorize my channel, because we didn't quite make the cutoff, but we'll get there, I'm sure. So I think this is going to be the same watch, just because it was the same box. Alright, platinum card, like I said. So we do have another Laco. Man, I wish I knew how to say that correctly. I think it's Laco. I'm going with it. Well, did we get the same color, or is it going to be a battle on which one I want to keep? Again, it's got that cool kind of leather travel case. And it's different. I actually really like that. It's different than any of the other watches I've gotten so far. And what do we have? Same one. Alright, so that makes it easy. And I'm kind of excited. Actually, it is not the same one. Very similar. Very similar in look. But the dial, just at a quick glance, I thought it was the same. Now this one's got the crown over at 4, a little bit different hands on it. Whew. Same kind of band. It is pretty stiff, but it fits nice. Now, I don't know which one I like better. This has got the small second hand. I do like the crown at 4 on a lot of watches. Now, guys, you're gonna have to tell me which one should be the giveaway. Maiden Flight. God, it's so hard to read these through my camera, guys. I'm pulling the back off. Maiden Flight 1310-1930. Laco JU52. Alright, so no matter what, I'm going to research these for sure. I'd love to know which one you guys think, which one of these you guys think I should keep and which one I should give away. No matter what, there's going to be follow-up videos on these to give a little bit more history on the watches themselves, because obviously they're, going after specific flight dates. Man, I'm not sure which one I want to keep now. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. One of these Lacos is going to be a giveaway, and who knows, maybe the other one will be a giveaway when we hit 2,000 subscribers. So we'll see what happens then. I actually like both of them. I will say the Melbourne is super nice, and I plan on keeping that one. I think that's a keeper for sure, and one of these might be a keeper, and one's going to be a giveaway. Let me know what you think below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.